Hi, my name is Brooke Bozell. I had the Softwave treatment for carpal tunnel. I was having lots of symptoms like tingling and in my hands and like pain in my elbow. Um, and Dr. Barnes just recommended having the Softwave treatment. And since I have completed the treatments, I have had almost no pain at all, no tingling. Well, I won't say no tingling, very minimum tingling. Um, and it's been really great. I can do things that I used to, like if I was driving or doing something really repetitive, um, almost immediately I would have tingling and numbness in my hand and I'd have to constantly shake it out. But since Softwave, that is almost completely gone. I have almost no symptoms now. So I've been really happy with